I'm Liz Miu and I'm a vegan food blogger from Sydney, Australia. Oh, I've loved hosting the trip with the Getaway Co and Zachary Bird. This trip has been organised so phenomenally. Amanda is amazing to work with. I think just by being so well organised, it's just given us the freedom to actually enjoy every single moment and not have to stress about everything. We've been able to be so present every single day with everyone and just enjoy everyone's company. And I think it's just so special. It is extremely easy, extremely enjoyable to travel with the Getaway Co as a vegan. If you haven't done a trip yet, you simply must. They are so good. I cannot wait to host another one. And yeah, you just gotta come. And I think I'm gonna go on the other trips with other hosts. Like, it's just, we've become such a family on this trip. And yeah, it's like, yeah, it's been so magical.